This is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a treat box using the Stampin' Up School Day stamp set and Suitcase Treat Boxes. Not only are they quick and easy, but they make the perfect teacher appreciation gift for Teacher Appreciation Week next week or anytime throughout the school year. So let's get started. I'm going to be using one of the Suitcase Treat Boxes. This comes in a package of 12 and they're $8. Next, I'm taking a piece of Floral Delight Designer Series paper. You can find this in the Spring Catalog 2025. It is 3 1/8 by 9 1/8. I've added some adhesive and I've adhered it to the front of the box. Now to make the eraser part of the pencil treat box. I have a piece of pretty and pink cardstock. This is 5/8 by 9 1/8. And again, adding adhesive to the back of it and adhering it to one side of the suitcase treat box. Next, I'm taking a piece of gold foil sheet. This is that pretty shiny part of the pencil. I'm adding adhesive to the back. It is 1/4 by 9 1/8. And I'm going to adhere it next to the pretty and pink cardstock. Slowly and surely, my pencil box is coming together. The next layer is a piece of crumb cake. This is 5/8 by 9 1/8, and I'm repeating the same process of adding adhesive, and I'm going to adhere it to the other side of the suitcase treat box. Now I'm making sure that everything is sticking to the front of the box. And now I'm just folding in on all of those score lines. This was probably the trickiest part of the box. When you put them together, it takes a few tries, but after you do about 3 or 4 of them, they pop in together. I took a long time because my cardstock made the box a little bit heavier, but it still worked. And you'll see once you start working with the boxes, it pops in together. Now think of all the things that you can put in here. Candy, gift cards, a small gift, bracelet, anything, even a note. As a teacher myself, I enjoy notes from my students and parents, and I treasure them forever. Now to get that slit, to get that opening, there is an opening, but the cardstock is covering up. I'm using one of the slit punches from the Hole Punch Assortment. You can find that in the March 2025 online exclusives along with the Suitcase Treat Boxes. Now again, I had to undo that box because some of the tabs I forgot to put in or fold in rather. So that's what's taken me a minute to pop the box in together. But again, after you've assembled a few of them, they become easier to put together. And now that other side, I'm popping that down. There's slits in there to hold it together. The box is very, very sturdy. Now for the cover. And that's going to fold in. Both of the sides are going to fold in. The handle is going to pop through where you put the slit punch, and then you're going to fold in the corners. And then you pull the handle up. Now you have the pencil base. All right, now we're going to make the lid for the pencil. I've taken a piece of black, basic black, and if you cut a 2 1/8 by 2 1/8 square and cut it at a diagonal, you will get your triangle lid piece for your pencil. I've taken some liquid adhesive and added it to the back, and it dries very, very quickly. And see how it's turning into a pencil? I just think this is just adorable. Now what I want to do, I'm going to add 2 more pieces of basic black. These are 1/4 by 2 1/4, and again liquid adhesive. And I'm just going to put it so it looks like it's in thirds. Here's the second piece. And this dries fairly quickly. Now look at that, we have our pencil. All right, now we're going to make a tag to coordinate with this pencil box. And what I've done is I've used one of the dies from the Something Fancy die set. That is on the last chance list, get it before it's gone. And then I'm taking another punch from the Hole Punch Assortment to make my tag. Now I'm going to get my stamp set, the School Day stamp set. I have the apple, which I'm going to stamp in real red. And this is a photopolymer set, which means that you can see straight through it. And you can see where you're stamping. Then next, I'm going to add my thank you. And with the thank you, this is also on the stamp set at the top. I'm going to be stamping in Tuxedo Black Memento ink. And there you have it, a cute little tag. Now to add the tag to the box, I'm taking some twine from the Baker's Twine Essential. This is in basic white. I'm just tying a little knot. And then I will add the tag to the pencil treat box. It's always tedious having to tie bow on cameras. I always go, is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? You can also find that School Day stamp set. It is also in the March 2025 online exclusives. Okay, now I have my little bow. And I'm just gonna trim off the ends with my scissors. And there you have it. A pencil treat box made with the Stampin' Up! School Day stamp set and the Suitcase Treat Boxes. I hope you like this project. Please like, share, and subscribe. Shop with me at lisafleming.stampinup.net. Happy stamping. Hope to see you soon.